All right, we're at the MOTCO Slough in Concord, California, October 14th and 2015. Here's the channel we're installing into, right there. And we're going to install a 10-foot AquaDam lengthwise in the channel. Hopefully we can beat the tide. The helicopter dropped the dam in the canal, cut the support beam, now we're lifting the beam off the dam. We're cutting the second shroud of the AquaDam to allow the dam to get to its full width. It started breaking on its own, so that's what we're doing now. And we're going to do this on the other side too. There it goes. Oh, boom, baby. Yeah, thank you. Your pocket, yeah. Alright, the 10-foot tall AquaDam is in. It's approximately 6-7 feet tall, and it's going to continue filling a few more feet, and hopefully the width of the dam will come up on the surrounding banks, left and right, and form a wider plug over the channel. We'll see. Here's the end of the dam. It's rolled up. There's the roll. Right here, there's extra slack. But you can see it looks like it rolled over itself when it went up. But it's got the shrouds underneath, so hopefully it'll roll out from underneath itself. Looks like it's kind of doing that right there a little bit. Okay. Looking good. With the installation, breaking down the hoses, the AquaDam is 10 feet tall in the channel. And it's squishing out against the side on each side. High tide continues to come in on the far side. This has been isolated for about 20 or 30 minutes, and it has a lower water level. So it's already holding back water pressure differential. Tomorrow they will dewater the work area, or this channel, so they can do their work. Now we're just pumping up. Alright, we're back at the MOTCO wetlands, MOTCO wetlands, and here the 10-foot tall AquaDam we put in before is over here, and there's a little side channel that goes this way, right there, and they want to put another plug right here to block off the flow in there, because at high tide this whole grassland floods out and floods the work area, so these additional 8-foot tall plugs in the channels will help segment the work area and minimize the volume of water that needs to be dewatered and removed from the work area before their work can start again. Alright, here's the 8-foot tall AquaDam. The first plug, pulling it up the channel, it's floating. And
go back around in the middle and help them pull that bag around.
Yep. So we're pulling this AquaDam there, right through this turn channel. AquaDam doesn't quite want to turn because it's folded up on itself, but there it goes. And it's just floating right on top of the water, no resistance. You getting any resistance, Alan?
Nope.
Nope.
I requested it.
Alright, so now we're pulling it right into place. Bim bam boom. Alright, the first 8-foot AquaDam plug has been pulled into place in this slough, or channel in the wetland. We're now putting the fittings on the ends of the hoses, and pumps are ready. We'll just hook up the pumps and fill this puppy up. The pumps are running, 4 pumps into this 8 by 37 foot long double closed end AquaDam with the shroud. Filling up quickly, we'll pull the shroud off soon and let it expand to its full height. Alright, the 8-foot tall AquaDam is about 7 feet tall. There is a net over there which is about 7 feet tall in the mud, and so that's about how big the dam is. And so we got another foot of filling, and then we're going to move on to dam number 2. This worked out pretty well. This plug is finished installing. You can see it's at least a foot taller than the 7-foot tall pole right there, and now we're going to break down the pumps and get set for the next installation. This whole installation was took about 2, maybe 2.5 hours. Okay, we have the second dam in the water. We're filling it with water, and we're holding it in place around the corner so that it kind of has a corner to it as it fills. So hopefully it'll have a nice marriage to the bank on each side all the way along its length. So this is the first one we've done in the curve around the channel, but I see no reason why it won't work. Alright, the shroud is holding together right there. That's the last place. And now we're filling it more with water. That shroud's about to tear out and let the dam come out to its full height. That shroud's about to go, and I don't want those hoses to get pinched, yeah? Thank you. There it goes. So now the dam can expand to its full width. Boom. Okay, the third AquaDam plug is installed. That's the second one that was installed today. It did not take to the corner as we pulled it out, so as it filled, it pulled out straight, and but that's okay. So that tube is really squished in on the bank, and that tube reaches out and touches the bank most of the way along its path. Right on the outside of the turn, there's a little part where it doesn't touch, but 99% of the perimeter of the AquaDam is touching the bank, and they'll be able to dewater behind this no problem. As we filled the AquaDam, we noticed there's some seepage coming out of the unit here in about a 2-foot circle and weeping down. So this is a minimal loss from the volume of the dam, and they'll have to watch the height of the dam and pump into it to compensate for the amount of water that's lost. But this might be a weekly pumping program or something, or monthly, just to replace the small amount of water that's seeping out of the dam there. A view from the other side of the AquaDam. It's in a straight line, but it was installed into a curve in the channel, so it should be a nice tight spot for the dam to be installed and sitting, as it holds back water levels. There's a lot of friction to hold it in place. So 8-foot tall AquaDam. The channel is only about 4 or 5 foot deep, and then the water sheet flows around the around it. So the dam will just sit in surrounding water, and then when the water level goes down again, they'll pump out the channel and get back to their work.